All right, guys, so I've been seeing a lot of requests for that lived-in, effortless, textured bob, kind of like what you see on Dixie D'Amelio, Megan Fox, Charlize Theron. All three have a slightly different take on it, but they've got that same vibe, that natural texture, a little bit of movement, it's not overdone. So in this video, I'm pulling inspiration from all three. I'm gonna show you how to create a style that combines the best parts of each one of them. I'm calling it tousled waves with wind-blown wisps. Is that really what we're calling it? Anyways, it's got that soft, modern feel. It works with a ton of different hair types, and it's a great go-to for clients that want something cool but low maintenance. All right, let's get into it.
What's up, guys? Welcome to today's tutorial. Today we're gonna be cutting a textured blunt bob. What do I mean by textured blunt bob? Basically, I want a blunt line on the bottom. I want something really strong to show that precision work, and then I wanna chop up the top and create a ton of texture throughout it. So for the sectioning, I created two circle sections, one in the fringe, one in the crown, and then we're just gonna go in and cut. I'm gonna be using the limited edition rose gold precision elite scissor today by Salon Education. You can get that at shopfse.com. It's the best scissor at the best price. We just launched this whole scissor brand, guys, so check it out on our website, shopfse.com. Now, I go through and I start my guideline with a blunt cut, zero elevation, using a wide tooth comb to do my cutting. Basically, the reason I use a wide tooth comb is because I don't want to pull a ton of tension. Anytime you're trying to cut a really nice solid blunt line, you don't want to pull a ton of tension in the haircut because that'll stretch the hair out, and then when it bounces back, you'll have a jagged line instead of that nice crisp line that you're looking for. So go through, take small sections, make sure you can see your guideline through it. As long as you can see that guideline through, go through and cut. And then see there, I don't even use the comb to cut this last part of the haircut because that's going to be the least amount of tension. It's going to give me the most precise line that I can get. Now we'll repeat the same thing on the opposite side, and then we'll move into the top. So you guys are getting an idea of how easy this haircut really is. Just make sure you take those clean sections. Now I grab the circle from the crown area and I elevate it straight up in the air, right above the center of that circle. So that's going to give me the shortest point in the center. It's going to give me the most texture, the most volume, and then it's going to push the weight towards the front and towards the back. This is condensed cutting at its finest, just really creating, you can see that texture pop through. Now I'm going to do a similar thing with this front section. The biggest difference here is I'm going to over direct it a little more towards the front. That'll give me the shortest point in the front, and I'm going to grab my guidelines from the temple area on both sides and cut that through. What this will do is in the dry cut, or in the blow dry, it'll allow the haircut to flow back and forth. They can wear it to either side if they want to. They can wear it straight down the center. So it's a very versatile top for those clients that really want to go back and forth with their haircut. So now just a little bit of product in the hair, and then I'm going to go through and diffuse it, scrunch it up a little bit, diffuse it with my diffuser. What a diffuser does, a lot of you guys have questions about this. A diffuser just changes the airflow so it's not direct on the hair, so it creates less frizz and it's a little bit softer for creating that wavy texture. Now just a little bit of finishing spray. You can see I just pop it through the top. Super simple style, guys. This is what it's all about, and I just finish out that blunt edge using my scissor. Again, this is the limited edition rose gold precision elite scissor at 5 inches. We have it at 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5. So we got everything you guys need. You can see it in all the sizes there. Here's our end result. Let me know if you like it by hitting the like button. Share this video with your friends, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Oh, and one more thing, if you want to save 20% off your order at shopfse.com on any of the elite scissors, including the limited edition scissors, use the code GETELITE at checkout and you'll get 20% off your order. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you soon.